They're really not after him. They're after the children. Early in his first term, President Trump became the first president to issue executive orders to punish sex traffickers. This term, he will ensure mandatory life sentences for anyone guilty of child trafficking and the death penalty for anyone guilty of child sex trafficking. This year, step up. Engage in combat to demolish child sex trafficking and child sexual exploitation. Rally at, donate to the 4th annual fundraiser, SkippyDeeDooDah, for the rescue and restore of child survivors of sex slavery and sexual exploitation. They're really not after him. They're after the children. Let's get in their way. Rescue and restore enslaved children at SkippyDeeDooDah.com. Donate and rally for the children October 26, 2024. Register at SkippyDeeDooDah.com. Paid for by people who want to protect children. SkippyDeeDooDah.com.